The switch both allows you to turn your tool on and off, as well as change the direction of rotation. Over time, the switch will wear. Eventually, it might no longer turn the tool on and off, or only work sporadically. The reverse switch can also fail, preventing you from changing direction. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one side of the rear handle. Now I can remove the switch from the handle and disconnect the wires. The wires are secured with slide-in connectors. Now I can install the new switch. I'll start with the black wire from the cord. It connects to the terminal labeled number 1. Next, the white cord wire. It goes to number 2. Now the black wire from the field. It goes to connection number 4. The yellow field wire goes to connection number 3. The white wire from the brush holder goes to connection number 5. And the red wire from the brush holder to connection number 6. Now I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck all the wires out of the way so they don't get pinched when I reinstall the handle. I'll place the other half of the handle over the switch and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up